everybody's doing good this week. Staying safe. Right here we have engine 31. It is a 2000 Spartan Gladiator, and we'll have in the description the full details of this truck. Here's a quick walk around of it. Here we've got the engineer's air pack and also a couple spare bottles in this compartment. Below this we have a hydraulic pump for the extrication tools. Also going right along, we've got the chainsaw and K12 in the side compartment. Coming along to the back here, we've got some cribbing. We've got a fan, also some toolbox there with some tools in it. So we're coming right along here. And down the side, we got here in the back some hoses, extra hose to fill up after we use it. 5-inch up top to either lay in or lay out. The ladder rack on this truck also is like a robotic, comes off the side of the truck there. We've got some more tools here. We've also got a generator and then a smaller generator with a light on it, some spare bottles on the side there for the air packs, and we've got some fire extinguishers there. We've got the cooler, some water there. Like I say, guys, everything, if you want to go in more detail on it as far as the pump and any other stuff on it, it will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Next week we'll be doing engine 30.